Introducing the MagSafe Wallet Stand,
the ultimate 3-in-1 minimalist wallet.
Constructed with 3D molded edges for durability, vegan leather that's weatherproof, and ultra-soft microsuede for a premium feel. Featuring super strong magnets that securely attaches to the back of your phone, so no worries about it falling off during daily use. Open it up to transform into a phone grip, making drops a thing of the past. Detach the wallet to reveal the 3D pressed quick draw slot to easily access a card from the back or front. It works perfectly as a stable phone stand both in landscape and portrait mode. Gotta share the game with the boys? Try floating with it. It comes in 6 different finishes:
black, navy, saddle tan, beige, forest, and our new carbon fiber. The MagSafe wallet stand is beautiful, functional, and most importantly, affordable at $25.
With these features and the Kickstarter discount, it's a no-brainer. It's the perfect minimalist everyday carry. Don't miss out.
Grab yours today, exclusively on Kickstarter.